is the main man. He's the he's the main sucker. But here, should record me real quick. So now y'all know this is legit. Sealed. Open this bad boy up. Whoa. Don't hold it. Let it go. What are you trying to do? Center it?
Keep it steady.
It auto centers.
Okay.
Don't smell too bad.
That was your heart beeping monitor right now. It smells like the other one that I had.
It doesn't smell bad.
Maybe it's probably going to be just like the one that I had.
If it's like that, we might have to open the other bad boy. But, so, we're waiting on two other buddies. They're playing video games. Like fucking weenies. I'm just playing, see, this one's real big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces. Rule of the game, I guess there's really no rules. We're gonna see how many we can eat. We're gonna eat one at a time. And then we have a 2-minute afterburn to let it kick in and keep going until everyone drops out. So the Magnum, the Mad Dog 357, 25th anniversary. Supposed to be one of the hotter ones that they make. Scoville wise, I believe I read online it was over 1 million. Over 1 million Scoville it says, so bone apple teeth. Oh yeah. Like half the bottle?
You threw all on top.
Huh?
I thought you were going to just like dabble some on one.
Hell no, boy.
We'll see how we do.
We're smothering these bad boys. This is gonna. It smells hot. I can feel sweat. A little shakeroo. Might have to throw some more on top. Woo! I shouldn't have did that. Oh. Oh, dude, that shit kicks. Oh. Damn.
I can smell it over here.
Oh, dude, my eyes are watering already. Oh, you guys almost done over there? Oh.
I think I saw the timer's like 7 minutes left.
Okay. So I guess we are going to pause this there and wait for them. Wow. Alright, yo, these are my friends. Hold on, let me get on the camera. We're going to introduce. This is John, the man, Atin. Nah, Juan Norman. My boy Eddie. We got Jaime, because he's Mexican. And we got Mob the Soldier.
That's good.
And you see me hook these up right now. Woo! Alright, so rules. Everyone get a smell, waft.
I already smell out.
Woo! So rule is we're gonna all grab one. Let me give another toss real quick.
They've been sitting and soaking.
So we're gonna all get. So we're all gonna grab one. We need a timer. Where's that timer at? We got a timer. There's a 1-minute timer. We're gonna flip it. Eat one. Wait 2 minutes. Then eat a second one, and who's gonna continue? Who's gonna drop out? Yada yada. Plates. Everyone got a napkin. Oh no! And once you eat the wing, once the afterburn kicks on, let's turn off this fan. I think it's messing up the audio. Once we kick it, once you finish your wing and the afterburn starts, no water or nothing. Unless you're gonna quit. If you're quitting, then you get water.
I want to drink water immediately.
Grab one. I already know these guys are gonna grab the smallest ones. Yeah, there's Marvel Soldier.
Just lick it up. Oh.
All right.
I was gonna lick my finger too, but I was like, well, I'm gonna wait.
Yes, sir.
Let me grab this big one.
Oh, yeah.
Mop it up.
That's gonna be hot.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this.
Oh wow.
Mmm. Spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Marvin scared me with that reaction.
Mm-hmm.
That's nasty.
Oh.
Yep.
I don't like it.
Oh, my eyes are already sweating.
Oh yeah.
You don't gotta eat it all, Eddie, if you don't want to. Woo! Oh.
That burns.
Wow.
Ah.
Oh, I'm sweating.
I don't know what to do myself.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna kick on my afterburn. 1 minute, starts now.
Fuck that.
Hell in the water. Oh man, Marv, let's just do a minute.
Yeah, that's hot.
Oh,
That's a hot bitch.
oh my God, it's getting hotter. Oh, oh,
You know
dude,
what
I
it
didn't want to
is?
fucking do it.
Like I can handle the heat, but it's like it gets me dizzy. I don't know why.
Woo,
That's a hot son bitch.
Definitely numbed your tongue. Eddie disappeared.
woo. Oh, I didn't even know what to do.
Me neither. You guys finished that week? Yeah. Eddie, did you finish it?
Nope.
No, but a bone.
Well, me, I can't go anymore.
Hot. That's hot.
Oh,
That's what your eye.
1 minute.
There?
Keep going.
I could.
I'm quitting.
Oh my god. I can feel this shit in my chest.
There's water.
I bet.
Yeti, there's beer.
Alright. You guys give me more anxiety just
That's it.
Right, but I can't go anymore, guys.
You got cold water in here?
Yeah, there's cold water in the
Yeah.
bottom. The water. Oh God.
I can't.
Fuck, dude. I can eat hot shit.
Oh.
Oh man, I'm scared to try the other bottle now.
Just crack it. The other one's like, how many more? Like 4 more million skull units?
Oh,
That was like a fire extinguisher. That first sip.
You know what? I don't think a beer. That's expired.
milk.
Hold the beer, takes it away.
Oh. Oh, I can't. Fuck.
That's hot.
Ah.
I don't know, beer makes it worse.
It does. The cold makes it worse. Fuck.
Everything makes it worse.
Now, you know the real secret with chili? Salt. But who wants to put salt in their mouth? But at least it works when you put it on your hand. Yeah, to be honest, the room temp water was working way better. Ice is hot.
Oh, alright guys. Woo! I can't.
I don't even know what to do with myself. I know I'm gonna regret that later.
I eat a lot of hot shit, and for a tear to come out of my eye, you know what I mean? That means it was decent.
Oh,
Oh my god.
ah.
I regret it.
Mars, I actually never showed up.
That burning in my mouth's kind of gone, but my lips are on fire right now.
I regret swallowing them.
Yeah.
I regret swallowing. My gum.
It was out right as I was swallowing mine, and I was like,
Well, I chewed and ate half of it, and then the other half, because I tasted it, it tasted nasty. At least that salsa that I had tasted way better. You know what's tripping me out too, then? Is that one we got, that Wicked Reaper, said that it's 2.2 million. This one says that it's only like a little over a mil.
There's no way that one was
And
two.
the other, yeah, I know, because we were eating that one like nothing. Like it was stop a deal.
There's no way that one was two.
That's what I read online. I know that it's 2.
I need some.
Yeah. Tissue paper. Gotta blow my nose too.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this, I guess. This video ended a lot faster than I thought it was. I thought I was gonna be able to go 2 rounds. Hell no. I'm drink room temperature water is helping.
Room temp water is way better than cold water.
Oh my god, I'm barely able to talk right now. You'll see it on camera, dude. I wasn't.
The room temp water took it away.
Yeah.
That's what you want. If you go for the cold, because the beer actually made it worse. It made my lips start burning.
Because it makes your numbs like your mouth. And then, yeah, that first cold bottle of water I drink, I can't even talk.
You know what's crazy? It feels like I have bee stings all over my lips.
I know my lips are all swollen.
My lips are all stinging right now.
You're crazy.
I'm probably good for a beer now.
You ate a whole wing?
No.
No, that was Mark.
Take a bite.
Mark smacked the whole wing.
I smacked the whole wing too.
I threw mine up.
Fuck no, I smacked mine.
Mine was a decent little bite, and I chewed and swallowed half, and then the other, when I tasted it, I was like, ugh. Took the other half out.
But, oh my god. Alright, so.
Well, one thing is, the beer tastes good.
Oh yeah.
Well, the vin tastes really good right now. Alright, that was the wing challenge, the first. The Mad Dog 357. I don't know if you want to call it a success or a complete failure, but
Failure.
I poured almost the whole bottle in the wings.
I'll tell you one thing, I'm embarrassed with myself.
I kind of am too. I thought I was going to go a lot further.
I didn't think it was going to be that bad.
I have my money on Mark.
I'm gonna look
Yeah, I didn't see it.
I'm literally gonna load this up tonight, right now. I'm gonna put stop and just upload it. I got 4 more wings. Hit me up in the comments. Hit me up on Snapchat, DOY300. If you're down, we can vlog it. Woo! If you don't have one, buy a Yeti.
Way better.
I'm trying to get my thoughts together. My lips are on fire.
You're right.
That's the devil.
Thank you. He said that's the devil.
That's the fucking devil.
Thank you. Look at everyone's
Reporting back. It's bad. It's bad.
Woo! That shit is hot. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Gonna make it worse.
Hey, smoking alcohol. Smoking weed.
Smoke weed. Alright guys, thank you. Right, rare, ride. And stay tuned, we're gonna have another one because before I go, back on camera.
Hey, my lips.
Cut. Can you see it? Can you see it on camera? Is it zoom? No?
That was
More
nothing.
Huh?
More light.
Not.
Anyways,
I got you.
the Hellboy. 6.6 million Scoville.
Let the record be shown. I finished mine to the bone.
I did too. It's in the trash. Yeah, you better wash your hands. The Mad Dog is only a little over a million Scoville. This one's
You see why I
6.6.
grabbed everybody's plates? I knew we were gonna put that shit down.
Stay tuned for another hot wing challenge or something with hot sauce, because I got another bottle. I just need another couple of 4 or 5 idiots to try it with me.
I'll be back.
Thank you guys. Stay tuned. I might do might cook the trout in the morning for breakfast. Oh, no. I have another vlog tomorrow afternoon. We're going fishing in the morning. We're gonna make the trout at the canal. Alright, thank you everyone. I keep repeating myself, but man, that is hot. I feel my lips. My lips feel like I got a Kylie Jenner pop going. Not even kidding.
I can feel the pain in my chest. I can't breathe.
I just like burped some up.
I did.
Alright, I think I just burped some up. Alright everyone. This video sucked. I hope you like it. And see y'all later. Peace.